How to use coins on AliExpress. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can use coins on AliExpress. How do you go about this? First thing to do is to log in into your AliExpress account on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, the lower right corner of the screen, you see the account icon. Ensure you click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to the accounts page. On this page, you would see a list of options such as my orders, collect coins, payment, and discount. Now, currently for me, I am not eligible to use my coins on my app. That is why under payment and discount, my coins is not there. Normally, coins should be there, but since I am not eligible, coins is not there. But for you, if you're eligible, you would see the coins located there. All you need to do is to click on the coins. Once you click on it, a page will be displayed to you showcasing the number of products that you can get with at a discounted price due to the coins that you have. Okay, you can get this product at a discounted price due to the coins that you have. Just go ahead, select the product you want, go ahead and make payment. This is how you can use your coins on AliExpress. Note that not all products can be bought with coins, only those that are eligible, and that you have to have stayed on the app and used the stayed on AliExpress sites overall, both on the PC and other application. You must have ordered and collected enough coins for you to be able to use your coins in the app. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.